Okay, so this is the next site that we're going to look at. Okay, remember the purpose for this video is to share with you guys how we're promoting this site with free traffic with a $0 budget, and how to use a virtual assistant. Okay, so now this particular site, it is still in beta testing. Okay, there are some errors on the inside, but we're currently working on those errors. Now this is the VA that is responsible for this particular mailer. Okay, for this site here, CreateLinkk. This site here is a URL or link shortener. It helps you to track your URLs. It is extremely important that you are able to track your URLs. Very, very, very important. You need to know where the hits are coming from. Now, this is Peace. Okay, this is Peace. We call her Lady Peace. She's currently enrolled at the university. She is pursuing her bachelor's degree. Now, this is the site that she is responsible for. It is called CreateLinkk with 2 Ks, okay? It is a link shortener and tracker. And so these are some of the changes that she has made to this particular site. So she created what is called ad copy. She's listed some of the features that this site has to offer. Okay, now these are the things that she has done as the virtual assistant. Now, it is extremely important that you have a virtual assistant. Okay, when I started out, I started out by myself. I didn't have a virtual assistant when I initially got started in this space. Today, I have quite a few virtual assistants, and it has been a journey putting together some virtual assistants. The first group that I started with, 1 or 2 worked out, but when I first got started initially, it was hard for me to find a good virtual assistant. But I did not give up. I began to ask other people that were using virtual assistants what experiences were they that they have when selecting a virtual assistant. How did they find a good virtual assistant? And they began to share that when they first got started, it was a lot of negative experiences. Okay, but he said eventually you're gonna find some good ones, and once you find them, you do not let them go. And I have followed that rule of thought. You do not let them go. You ask them to, if they know of anyone else that can be added to the team. Our group of virtual assistants, we meet every Thursday as a group. Currently, we are studying The Richest Man in Babylon. Each member of the team takes a chapter of The Richest Man in Babylon and explains it to the other team members when we meet on Thursdays. We've studied a lot of motivational stuff out there. Who moved my cheese? Eat that frog. Um, uh, um, Think and Grow Rich. Um, what's that one? Yeah, Think and Grow Rich. That's the one I was thinking about. So we've done a lot of positive material, a lot of self-motivation, self-help books out there. But we're currently studying The Richest Man in Babylon. Success leaves clues. I just want you to know that. Success leaves clues. Do not let a day pass without you working on your dreams, goals, and your aspirations. I'm believing to live a good, long life, and I trust that you will do the same. Take care.